7 students suspended on Wednesday for allegedly ragging a junior student at the Government College Karyavattam in Thiruvananthapuram. One of the victims said that the police have recorded their statement. A father of one of the students said that the victim was severely injured and is currently undergoing treatment. Kerala Minister of Higher Education and Social Justice, Dr. R. Bindu, has sought reports from the Directorate of Collegiate Education, and the anti-ragging cell at the college level has also started procedures related to this. Strict action will be taken in this regard. The victims are mostly scared to complain in such cases because students' unions are powerful in Kerala, just like trade unions. In the highly politicized environment in universities, vice chancellors are not often seen as going against the powers that be. The opposition leaders in Kerala are up in arms against this issue, blaming the SFI for being behind this. Let's listen in.
Since they are the SFI workers, they got political patronage from the party, from the government, from the police. If we have taken a stringent action on that, these things would not have been happened recently. Now we demand a strict action on that. In many colleges, these SFI leaders are threatening the hostel wardens. They are not staying in the hostel. They are not in the. The teachers are being threatened by the SFI leaders, and drug use is also there. Drinking habits are there.
Kerala Education Minister further said that a state-level anti-ragging cell for prevention of ragging activities in campuses will now be formed, also promising a 3-tier system that will have ragging cells at college levels, at university levels, and at the UGC level. Viewers would recall that a similar incident surfaced where police arrested 5 college students for allegedly ragging juniors at the Kottayam Government Nursing College earlier this month on the 12th of February. All the students have been sent to 2 days police remand, according to the Gandhinagar police. According to the victim students, the ragging has been going on for nearly 3 months at the institute. The police also confirmed that the ragging began last November, shortly after the classes of the first-year batch began. Police added that they are now investigating whether one or more students are involved in this case.